After access levels, card types, and cardholder types are created, cardholders can be added to the gateway. The cardholders option in the identity menu provides the fields needed to set up and print access cards. The NLSS Unified Security Suite manages cardholders' access to areas monitored by the system. Select Identity in the configuration menu to display its options. Cardholders can be added individually using this menu option. Cardholders also can be uploaded in bulk by uploading a CSV file when using the remote management system. See the NLSS Unified Security Suite user manual or online help for instructions. Select cardholders to begin configuration. Click Add to create a new cardholder record. Enter the cardholder's name. First name, last name and printed card name are required fields. The middle name, prefix, and suffix are optional. The printed card name is the name that the cardholder prefers to be called. Printing a card is discussed in a separate tutorial. The employee number ID is a required field. Set the human resources, or HR status of the cardholder. The default setting is inactive. Other options are active, terminated, leave of absence, and PTO. The card must be set to active to be able to allow the system to grant access. Select an option from the drop-down list. Set the HR cardholder type for the cardholder. This type defines the position held by this cardholder, and is separate from the manually created cardholder type. The HR options are defined by the system. The HR cardholder types are Employee, which is the default setting, Contractor, Intern, Temporary, and Student. Select an option from the drop-down list. The cardholder vehicle information is optional. The ADA checkbox is used to allow extra time for the cardholder to get through doors. The cardholder may have a disability, or have a special need for extended time for an open door, such as employees at loading docks and mail rooms. The ADA settings are configured in the controller page under the Access Control options. The Notes field allows comments to be added to the cardholder's record. Next, configure the access card for the cardholder. Open the Cards tab. The Cards tab sets the security credentials, plus the details required for printing badges assigned to this cardholder. Up to 5 active cards can be assigned to a cardholder. Those cards are listed in the cards list. No cards are listed until one is created. Click the Add button. Enter a card number. The card number is a unique identifier for the card. Add the number by typing it, or by swiping the card through an OmniKey reader. The embossed number is optional, and sets a number to be printed on the card. For example, this number could be the card number or employee number. The PIN is optional, and is only required if keypads are associated with card readers in the system. If a PIN is required for this cardholder to open doors, enter that number in this field. PINs are enabled when a card reader is configured. See the Readers tutorial under the Access Control videos for more information. Enter a PIN number, 1 to 5 digits long. At least one cardholder type must be created before adding cardholders to the system. Select a cardholder type from the drop-down menu. At least one card type must be created before adding cardholders to the system. Card types determine the basic data structure and other key properties of the access cards used in the system. See the card type tutorial under the identity videos for more information. Select a card type from the drop-down menu. A card must be activated for a cardholder to be granted access. A cardholder can have multiple cards simultaneously active. To enable a card, select Active from the Card Status drop-down menu. By default, the activation date is set for today. When a card is set to active, by default, the deactivation date is set for 10 years from today. Both dates can be reset by using the calendar tool. A picture can be added to the cardholder record, and included on the printed card. Import a JPEG, with a recommended size is 640 pixels high by 480 pixels wide, with a preferred resolution of 300 dpi. Click Import Photo to open a dialog to locate and load a photo of this cardholder. The File Uploader dialog is displayed. Click Browse and follow the prompts. Click Upload to add the photo to the card. Next, set the cardholder's access levels. Open the Access Levels tab. Access levels can be added at this time, or later. Up to 128 access levels can be assigned to a cardholder in the Access Levels tab. This setting informs the system as to the schedule that the cardholder can open doors. See the Access Levels tutorial under the Identity videos for more information. Use the single arrow button to move an access level to the right column to apply the access level to the cardholder. The double arrows move all items in a column. The left arrow buttons remove access levels from a cardholder. Save the cardholder settings. The cardholder is added to the table at the top of the screen. A card can be printed from the Cards tab. See the tutorial for printing cards for instructions.